Hello friends, let's continue with our series. In the lecture number 9, we will be learning about break, continue and pass statements in Python. Let's begin. So in the break statement, we use it to immediately exit a loop when a certain condition is met. For example, a loop that checks numbers 1 to 10 from 1 to 10. If the number is 5, break stops the loop. Alright, so for this, how will we implement the code? Let me just uncomment it. Alright, so it goes like for I in range, the range where you will be looping 1 to 11, because you are going to 10. Alright, so in order to go till 10, we are putting the range, right? So in the range, you will go from 1 to 11, so that it checks from 1 to 10. Alright, the range between these numbers. And for I in range, whenever I exists in this range, if I equal to 5, break. Simply break out of the loop if the value of I matches 5. Alright, so for the next we have continue statement. In this, the statement skips the current iteration and goes to the next one. Example, in a loop from 1 to 10, if the number is even, use continue to skip it. Alright, so whenever we encounter a number that is even or that is divisible by 2, we will use the continue statement to skip it. Alright, we'll just skip this iteration and we'll do nothing except skipping this iteration, and the loop can continue. Alright, however the current iteration, that will not be continued. So for I in range 1 to 11, from 1 to 11, if I is divisible by 2, or if I divided by 2 gives remainder 0, means it is divisible, means it is an even number, continue. If that's the case, we will continue. Alright, and then we have the pass statement. In this, it does nothing. It is used as a placeholder when code is required but not ready. Alright, for example, inside a loop or function you are planning to finish later. For I in range 5, pass. Alright, so basically it does nothing, it's just used as a placeholder, means you can add it to a program or a code so that you can edit it later whenever you want to finish it. Alright, so it is basically used to allow you to have more flexibility, more control over your program. Alright, so for example, if you are making a rough model of your program, you can just add a pass statement, and using this pass statement you will not have to code it entirely. You can just go through it on the later stages, but you can get an overview or a model of your program. Alright, so that's one of the use of the pass statement. And finally, these are useful for controlling loop flow, handling conditions smartly, and writing clean, flexible logic during development. Alright, so that's the use case for these kinds of statements. I hope you were able to understand all these, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.